Is there a spark of entrepreneurship within you? How does it impact not just your life, but the economic growth of a society? Today, we delve into the world of entrepreneurship, a realm of innovation, risk, and rewards. Entrepreneurs, the risk-takers who drive economies, come in various forms. There's the innovative entrepreneur, the forward-thinking visionary who disrupts markets with groundbreaking ideas. Then there's the imitative entrepreneur, who adapts and improves existing concepts, making them accessible to new markets. Then there's the Fabian entrepreneur, cautious and skeptical, adopting new technologies only once they've proven successful. And finally, there's the drone entrepreneur, resistant to change, preferring traditional methods over novelty. A special mention goes to the intrapreneur, an entrepreneur within an existing company, driving innovation from within. While entrepreneurs and intrapreneurs share traits, they differ in their working environments and the level of risk involved. Numerous factors affect entrepreneurial growth. The economic environment, government policies, and availability of finance play significant roles. As does the entrepreneur's personal characteristics, their motivation, creativity, and resilience. Entrepreneurship doesn't just happen. It's fostered through achievement motivation training, self-rating, and business games. Tools like the thematic perception test help identify entrepreneurial potential, while stress management techniques ensure entrepreneurs can cope with the pressures of their role. Establishing a business isn't a walk in the park. It involves identifying and selecting a good business opportunity, conducting market surveys and research, and assessing techno-economic feasibility. Preliminary project reports are prepared and the project is appraised. Small enterprises with their unique characteristics and ownership structures play a pivotal role in an economy. They require finance, managed through term loans and a well-planned capital structure. Financial institutions, cost management, break-even analysis, and taxation all play crucial roles in their operation and growth. However, sickness in small businesses can occur due to various reasons, including poor management, inadequate finance, or outdated technology. Corrective measures such as business incubators can help these businesses recover and thrive. Government policies also significantly influence small-scale enterprises. Growth strategies can include expansion, diversification, joint ventures, mergers, and subcontracting. In conclusion, entrepreneurship is a complex, dynamic process that drives economic growth. It comes in various forms, influenced by numerous factors, and requires careful planning and management. Whether you're an innovative entrepreneur with a disruptive idea or an intrapreneur driving change within a company, you're part of an incredible process that shapes the world. Remember, the entrepreneurial journey is not just about the destination, but the journey itself. So, ignite that entrepreneurial spark within you and contribute to the economic growth of your society.